back to my channel, or if it's your first time on my channel, welcome. Today I'm going to be making this lemon scented lip gloss. The ingredients or products I'm going to be using is aloe vera gel, coconut oil, and Vaseline. So I'm not going to be using any Versagel. If you want to add anything like olive oil, you can add olive oil, or you can add whatever you want. This is the lemon essential oil I'm going to be using. If you have any other essential oil in your house, you can use it. Or if you have any flavored oil, go ahead and use it. I'm also going to be using these butterflies for my lip gloss. Since I plan on making other scented and flavored lip glosses, I'm going to color code them. So since this one's going to be lemon scented, I'm going to use the goldish yellowish colors. So starting off, I'm just going to take a few spoonfuls of this. So I'm just gonna do 2 spoons for now, and then I'm just gonna pour the coconut oil inside here. And by the way, you don't have to use organic coconut oil like I have. I just like to use the organic one. I'm just gonna pour it in here. And I'm not doing measurements, y'all. I'm just eyeballing everything, really. Now I'm going in with the aloe vera. I'm just gonna mix it, and then after mixing it, I'll decide what else I want to add. Now I'm gonna go put this in the microwave, probably for like 10 seconds, just to get it to melt some more. Alright, so this is what we're looking like after I microwaved it. I did it for like 12 seconds. Now I'm going to go ahead and add like a few drops of the lemon. I'm going to add a few drops and I'm going to see if it's like really potent or not. I'll just judge it by that. Alright, so I add a few drops. I'm just going to mix it around and smell it. If it doesn't have enough scent to it, then I'll add more. Alright, so I'm gonna add a few more drops because I can barely smell it. I can smell it, but not that much. That should be good. Alright, now that I got it scented, I'm gonna go ahead and add the butterflies that I want in here. Using a different knife, I'm gonna just add a little bit of this color. I'm also gonna do some of this color too. And this one. So if this is enough for you, you put this much in here, go ahead and start adding it to your tubes. So I bought a pack of these tubes off Amazon. It came with 2 syringes, so I'm going to be using this one, and I will be putting it in here. I may not fill, I don't know if this will be enough for all 4 of them, it probably isn't. So I'm at least going to do a couple of these, and then I'll just make some more. This is what the first bottle is looking like so far. You know, Vaseline is cloudy, but I'm gonna try something. It doesn't really bother me, but I'm gonna see if I can get like a clear look to it. So I'm gonna microwave this a little bit more and see if it make it look more clear. If not, not a big deal. I don't mind it looking cloudy because I know on my lips it's gonna look clear. All right, this is what it's looking like, completely melted. I microwaved it more for like 10 to 15 more seconds, and this is what it's looking like. Alright, so microwaving it some more really didn't make a difference. It still looks kind of cloudy, but don't worry. If it looks cloudy for you, it's still going to come on your lips clear. It's not going to... It's mainly the Vaseline. It's because of how the Vaseline looks. And just to show y'all that it's clear, I put some on my arm. And this is what it looks like when I smear it around. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and finish up the last one, and then I'll show y'all how to go about putting the caps on and stuff. So I only had enough to make 3 full ones. I'm just gonna pop on these caps, or the lip portion that you put your lips on. And I'm also gonna tag in the description box where I got this on Amazon. So it just pops on really easily like that. Yeah, that's it. I'll also tag in the description box where I got the glitter from, and then these tubes. They also come to 2 syringes. It's pretty simple to do. That's what it's looking like up close. Alright y'all, thanks for watching. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one.